Good afternoon, welcome back to the channel. So today, another day, another job, another challenge. We're in a 2013 Hymer mobile based on a Mercedes Sprinter. So this is the S906, it's the one before the newer model. I think this particular model ran from 2006 to 2018, and then 18 the S907 came on, which is the much newer dashboard. So the S906 has got the good old-fashioned vertical air vents in between the radio, and what we've done today is we have removed this customer's old Zenec unit. It's out of date, features are lacking, and that's half the problem with these things that we see on a regular basis. And what we've done is we've replaced it with the popular Alpine F904 DC. So the F904 DC is the 9-inch tablet style system, dedicated motorhome navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, FM, DAB, and yeah, it's going to make a massive transformation. I've really struggled with this vehicle actually, just because of what I found behind the radio, the mess of wiring which you're going to see, and then trying to get CAN bus data to get steering wheel controls to work, speed pulse, reverse gear. But join me in front and I'll show you a bit more. All done and dusted. As I said a few seconds ago, this vehicle has been quite challenging because of what we've had to remove, all of the associated wiring, and then we've had to make good. It's not just a case of plugging it in, popping the dashboard back in and off you go. The F904 DC, fantastic bit of kit. Even though it's one of the older style models with built-in navigation, it still does exactly what you want it to do. You've got quick access to navigation, and that's your TomTom style maps on there as well. And once you're connected to the GPS, it means that you're not relying on Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and that means that if you are out of signal somewhere, you can still download a route and get out of wherever you are or get to your next destination. This particular unit comes with 3 years free map updates, and of course you get 2 years warranty because we are one of the Alpine Excellent dealers. And then you've got things like FM, you've got DAB, you've got Bluetooth streaming, you've got other things that if you wanted to, you could have HDMI access. Unfortunately, the screen on this is quite low res, so the HDMI is not very good. We don't really recommend it anymore because 5 years ago it was current, but it isn't now. We've also, as a favour to this customer, retained his very old Waco reversing camera. So if I pop it into reverse gear, that shows his washed out Waco reversing camera. But this vehicle is 2013, so we're talking 12 years old for a reversing camera to be on a vehicle. And if we then take it out of reverse, you can go back into camera and it shows the backward facing view. So this is a dual lens camera working through a single video feed, which is quite good. Let's just pop it back into reverse. But the customer and I, we've already discussed that actually what we need to do is we need to get this customer back for a replacement camera, and then we can fit a separate monitor on the dashboard or hook up one of the camera views through the Alpine screen. The microphone's been fitted under the instrument binnacle. The GPS is far away from the unit as possible so that it can see the sky. We've put an FM booster in, and we've put the USB on this little top pocket here. You can just see the black thing here. This is so that it's nice and convenient for the customer, but also so that you can plug your phone in and get the best possible signal rather than it being down in this bottom pocket, which is where it was before. So let's just go to Apple CarPlay. I've already got my phone plugged in, wired in. So you've got Google Maps, you've got all the mod cons that you are used to with Apple CarPlay. You've got your BBC Sounds. What else have we got? Let's go back a page. and let's go to the original. So actually there's quite a few apps that are missing off my phone. I think that my phone is trying to save storage, but normally there's the car parking apps and other such stuff. But Apple CarPlay is absolutely fantastic for what you need. And we've even got our dongles now that then convert the wired to wireless. So please do check them out on our website. And that's it. So 2013 Mercedes Sprinter in a coach-built Hymer motorhome. We've taken out the old unit, fitted this 9-inch tablet with dedicated navigation, and this customer is going to be chuffed to bits. So if you're interested in anything you've seen in this video, then please do get in touch with us via the contact form on the website, and we're happy to answer your questions and give you a quote.